people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget. Say that with me.
Know those who are among you. Know them. Get to know them well. Get to know them, their family, their likes, their dislikes, even the food they like. If you can have that data, and they know that you can almost like recite that back to them, they know you care. It's all about caring. Leading is caring.
They'll rise to the occasion and do things you never knew they could, because they know you accept them for who they are. You're not trying to embarrass and shame them into doing something. No, you're empowering them. And you are the one that bridges the gap for them to feel that way.